Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a most pending video, I would say. I asked everyone what makeup should I use and create a look, or what kind of a look I should create. So basically you guys have chosen the makeup which I should use today in my look. So this is the look I came out with. So most of you had an idea that I should use a different eyeliner. So I have used a different eyeliner, a different shade, and did a little bit of justice. You will see it and then only you will come to know that did I exactly do what you asked for. So I will be giving a voiceover because I couldn't talk when I was filming the look. So I'll be giving a voiceover, and do let me know through your comments that you like this look. It's more of a smoky night look. I would not wear this look in the day. So any evening party, any gathering, you can wear this look easily. It's very simple. You don't need much in this look. So let's not waste any more time. Before that, just subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social handles, and everything will be mentioned in my description for your info. So anything you can just ask me through your comments. So girls, let's get started. So guys, first I took my Freedom Pro primer, as one of you requested me to use this primer apart from the Colourpop one. So just take a little bit, dab it all over your face, and just cover your pores. Next I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now there were many requests, but Maybelline Fit Me foundation most of you requested me, so I thought let me go ahead with this foundation. It's one of the most trusted foundation. So just take a little bit and dab it all over. Nowadays I like putting my foundation with the help of a beauty blender than a brush. And next I am going to take a concealer. Now you know I'm not a very concealer person, so I'm taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. One of you asked me to use this concealer. I think it was Ruhi. So very nice concealer. If you are thinking of buying this concealer, you should just go ahead and buy. But yes, I'm not a very concealer person, but today I thought I will do everything what you people asked me. So let's go ahead with it. So it actually has highlighted my under eye and most of the area of my face. Next we are going to set the under eye and the face with the loose powder. This is my most trusty loose powder for Kill Your One, and I think everyone asked me to use this one only, so that's a very easy pick for me also, and I'm very comfortable with this one. So I am just placing the powder wherever I could, but I never bake so much, but today I am actually baking. Next I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just dust off the powder from the face. Now I'm going to bronze up my face, and I generally bronze and contour simultaneously. So I'm going to bronze up my face using my Savannah Trio bronzer palette. Most of you asked me to use this palette, and this is my holy grail too. Next I'm going to use my most trusty blush, Palladio one. Again, I think you people know me very well because you chose the products I love using, so a little bit of blush will go. When I see myself on the screen, I feel a lot is going around, but everything will just come together. Next we are going to highlight the face. So most of you asked me to use my Oddbow highlighter instead of the other highlighters I have. This is a little intense highlighter, but then I just went a little light-handed with it because I felt my face is already highlighting a lot because of the concealer. But somewhat I really like highlighting my nose nowadays. Next let's jump onto the eye. So I'm doing my brow using my 3D brow pencil. It's again one of my favorites. I'm using Makeup Revolution Chocolate Vice Salted Caramel palette because most of you asked me to use this palette. So I'm using this brown shade and just putting it in my crease. Basically you can even go over the whole lid. You don't have to restrict yourself to the crease itself. So I'm just placing it and just blending it. Next I'm taking this Nykaa I Am Black Kajal and I am going to smudge this kajal on my lids. As you people asked me to do a smoky look but then with a different eyeliner, which will come later. So I came up with this particular look. So this is like, you can use any kajal you like, but I like this one. Next I'm taking this Maybelline liner in the shade I think Forest Green, and I'm just lining my eyes. You can make a thick line so that it shows up, and it is showing up. The shade is really nice, really intense. So I went ahead with this shade because it really complements the black. Next I am taking the same shade and going down below my lower lash line. Next I'm taking my Color Bar Smoky Black Kajal and I'm going to tighten up my waterline. It's a very simple look, anybody can create. Next I'm taking this Falsies Push Up Mascara by Maybelline. Everything I'm using in this makeup tutorial is be suggested or asked by you. Nothing is of my choice, but I love all. As you can see, the liner is really, popping out, and you can see, and it is merging well with brown and black. Next I'm taking this highlighting shade from the same palette and just putting it on my brow bone and in my inner corners. Next I'm going to apply a lipstick. So most of you asked me to use Colourpop lipstick. So I am using this Colourpop lipstick in the shade Ziggy. It's one of my favorite shades because since the eye look is very intense, so lipstick has to be lighter. And then I'm going to just set my face with a setting spray, and I'm using the Colourpop one. It's a really nice one, you can try one. So I think we finish up with the look. I hope you loved watching. This is how it turned out to be. I quite like it. Please do let me know through your comments, do you love it or not? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social handles. All the products I used I will mention in my description for your info. So girls, give a thumbs up because I really like this look, and thank you for suggesting an amazing makeup which turned out in an amazing look. So take care and bye bye.